SS Day 41. This is the book cover, Purse 3. Chapter number 7, Emperor Ashoka. Let's do the exercise. First question, read and answer. Fill in the blanks. The royal palace of Ashoka was at Patliputra. Write the answer, Patliputra over here. Many people died during the Dash war, that is Kalinga war. Write Kalinga here. Ashoka built many dash and planted trees along the roads. Answer is rest house. Write rest house here. The message of Ashoka is carved on dash and dash. Rocks. Here write rocks. Here write pillars. What should we write in this blank, children? Patliputra. This should be Kalinga. Rest house. Rocks and pillar. Complete the fill in the blanks in SS classwork notebook one time. Next question. Complete the following statement by changing the underlined word. Chanakya ruled over a large part of India. Chanakya didn't rule over part of India. He just made the king. Chandragupta Maurya. So the answer should be Ashoka. Ashoka ruled over a large part of India. Write the answer, Ashoka. The capital of Ashoka's empire was Kalinga, is a Patliputra. Okay, answer should be Patliputra. Here you are having a dash, no? Write the Patliputra in the dashes. Ashoka asked people to disobey their elders. No, Ashoka asked to obey their elders, right? Obey is the answer. Ashoka followed the technique of Lord Mahavir. He followed the technique of Buddha. So, instead of Mahavir, the Buddha is the right answer. Next question. Answer these questions. Why did Ashoka decide never to fight any war? Answer. Many people died and thousands got injured in Kalinga war. Ashoka was very sad to see this. He decided never to fight any more. Second one, how did Ashoka help his people? Ashoka answer, Ashoka helped his people by point 1, building rest house and roads. Second point, building hospitals for people and animals. Third point, planting trees. And fourth point, digging wells. Whenever the question will come in brief, you have to write a point wise. So 1.1 half mark you will get. What did Ashoka ask his people to do? Ashoka asked his people to respect elder, to always speak the truth and to be kind to others. Fourth question, how did Ashoka spread his message against his people? Amongst his people, how did Ashoka spread his message amongst his people? Ashoka got his message carved on rocks and pillars, which were then put up at different places across his empire. मतलब अशोका ने अपने मैसेज पीपल तक पहुंचाने के लिए क्या किया, तो उन्होंने कार्व किया है पिलर के ऊपर और अलग अलग प्लेसेस पे उसको जड़ दिया गया, मतलब रख दिया गया है. Think and answer. D1. Did people like Ashoka? Give reason for your answer. So naturally, if the king is kind, then everybody will like him. Okay. So answer is people liked Ashoka because he was kind and spent most of his time doing good for the people. अभी अशोका काइंड था, वो अपना ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा काम दूसरे की भलाई करने के लिए करता था, इसलिए सब उसको पसंद करते थे. ठीक है, राइट दिस. नेक्स्ट वन, एनरिचमेंट एक्टिविटी, रोल प्ले. इमेज यूर एम्परर अशोका फॉर अ डे. Write 5 sentences on how people can be kind to animals. Share your message with the classroom. चलो आप एक दिन सोचना है कि आप एम्परर अशोका हो और आपको 5 सेंटेंस लिखने हैं कि एनिमल्स के को काइंड कैसे हम एनिमल्स के प्रति काइंड कैसे हो सकते हैं। जैसे कि हम पहला मे भी कोई बोलेगा मैं नॉनवेज छोड़ दूंगा तो एनिमल्स के थ्रू मैं काइंड हो जाऊंगा। देन मैं एनिमल्स को मारूंगा नहीं, आई विल नॉट किल द एनिमल्स, आई विल नॉट hurt the animals, I'll feed the animals. There are so many things that you can be kind to animals. You have to write any 5 points. Value. Emperor Ashoka asked his people to good to others. Take what you do. आप क्या करोगे? I give food to stray dogs and cows. Yes, I will give. I speak politely to others. Yes, I will do too. I greet my elders every day. हाँ, greet मतलब नमस्ते करते हैं ना. I never fight with my friends. Yes, I will do. These all are the good habits and we should follow the good habits, children. Here the exercise is over. Complete the exercise in SS Classwork notebook. After completing it, write in homework notebook one time. Thank you, children.